The new Alaska 511 brings more current and accurate information to Alaska drivers than ever before. This video is designed to give you an overview of the 511 phone system and features. At this time, the phone system covers only events occurring on major highways and works for the English language. For more details, use our website or mobile app. Check out the links in the description below this video to learn more. If you know what features you want to learn about, below this video are chapter links for navigating through this video more quickly and efficiently. To reach the 511 system from any in-state phone, simply dial 511 to connect. From out of state, dial our toll-free number 866-282-7577. You can also easily reach the 511 phone system while using our Alaska 511 mobile app by tapping on the drive mode on the right side of the screen, then tapping the large yellow Call 511 button. The 511 phone system is a voice-driven menu system that can be navigated three ways: through voice commands, touch tone commands, or both voice and touch tones interchangeably. To switch to the alternate mode, for instance, if you want to switch from voice mode to touch tone mode or vice versa, simply press star 8 at any time during your call. Once you are connected on a call to 511, you'll be greeted by a computerized voiced menu system that will give a brief list of available main menu items and some examples of shortcuts for voice activation of other features.
Main menu, say what you'd like: highway reports, public transit, Alaska Marine Highway System, or transfer my call. If you don't know, say help. You can also say a shortcut, something like Valdez, Girdwood and Alyeska Glacier Valley Transit, or British Columbia Travel Information.
For first-time users, it's easy to follow the voice prompts to get the information you want. Once you gain familiarity, you can skip the main menu prompts at any time by interrupting the system with your voice, immediately stating a main menu item, naming a highway, naming a public transportation agency, or naming another agency to have your call transferred to. Let's talk about each of the main menu options one by one. There are 4 main menu items that take you to further voice prompts on each topic: highway reports, transit, Alaska Marine Highway System, and transfer my call. For highway reports, you can say the name of a highway segment, a mountain pass, or an entire route to get conditions or events that affect travel on that route. Glen Parks Highway Interchange.
Glen Highway, at end of road, say northbound or southbound. You can also say go back or main menu.
The transit menu will give you options for specifying a public transit provider by city or by stating a specific provider. Your call will then be transferred to that agency. Transit.
Okay. Which transit agency do you want? If you don't know, tell me the city you want transit information for. Here is the list of public transit agencies. Say the one you want at any time.
When selecting the Alaska Marine Highway System menu, callers will be rerouted to the AMHS phone system for ferry schedules, reservations, and arrivals and departures. In the Transfer My Call menu, you can be connected to services and agencies such as the National Weather Service line, Canada Road Conditions, Whittier Tunnel, and many more. Here are some tips for getting the most out of the 511 phone system. Speak as clearly as possible when using voice mode. Minimize any background noise, including radio, open windows, and people talking. And check your cellular service signal strength. Weak reception can cause voice recognition problems. Remember, we welcome your feedback. On our website or on our mobile app, under Contact Us, you can send an email with questions or issues. Thank you for learning more about Alaska 511 on our phone system. Here are more links to learn about 511 on our mobile app, the 511 website, and also an overview of the new Alaska 511 system. Now you can know before you go.